Well, good morning. Let me shut this off before I get a copyright strike. 7:42, Saturday, 22 January 2022. A lot of 22s today. Yep, it's about 54 degrees. Kind of a breeze blowing through. And I decided, what the heck? How about we do maybe a couple tot lots today? I was gonna get out and hunt this week. Just wasn't feeling it. Was tired after work. You know how it is. And said, yeah, you know what? I'll save it for Saturday. Thought about going out to the land of cowpocalypse, but not knowing where the cows were at, and knowing there's no cows in the tot lots, we'll let some tot lots. It's been dry for the past couple weeks, so there should have been some activity. There's a guy kind of wandering around out there, but he doesn't have a machine. It looks like he's just kind of bored. I don't know what he's doing. He's an older gentleman. He has a truck, so of course he's an older gentleman. But yeah, got myself some coffee and gonna throw in my bag and see what we can find. I don't know what I'll be able to film, but we'll see. There's a lady chasing her tissue across the street, and it's running from her. Oh, it's running from her. Oh, it's getting some legs. Oh, she's trying. Oh, I think she got it. Yeah, it looks like this older gentleman's looking for plastic bottles and cans that people have dropped. But let's get this going. All right, our second find today is a copper penny. First find was a piece of, I have absolutely no idea. Third find, same hole as a copper penny. I just missed it. A zinkin. Fourth and fifth find, two more zinkins. And we just got ourselves a nickel. I cleaned it up for a little too. And we just got a shiny zinkin. Another zinkin. Right there. Or there-ish. Yeah, right there. I don't know how well my audio is working. It's kind of windy today, so I apologize. Oh, we finally broke into the quarters. It's a newer quarter. It's a Denver. And Paso Island, 2018. At the base of the ladder, we got ourselves a nice little quarter, nickel, dime spill. Another beautiful zinkin. It is picking up like something fierce. But I'm heading over to the end of the curb strip so I can take my way to the car on the curb strip. So the wind's picking up. Get a quarter and a zinkin. All over one hole. Hey, I'll give it 6 inches away. I got another quarter. This little 1 foot square keeps giving up quarters. And a zinkin, and another penny, a copper penny, right by the curb, like right there. Another sink. I wondered when I'd find one of these. Scourge, vape pen scourge. Got ourselves another quarter. Just got a couple times. Got the head of dragon and some beans here. And another dime. Well, park number 1's done. I didn't do too bad. I'll let you look at it. We'll do a roundup. I might hit one more park and then we'll call it a video. I got coins in my bag from a non-filmed hunt. Also, I got 9 whole pennies. But that's what the coin can's looking like so far. We got quite a few quarters. Got 1 extra bead for that little dragon thing. Got some dimes, some nickels. This little container's been really cool. I just picked this up from CountyCom. There you go. It's a heavy duty, like Altoids container. But you can also get this little silicone rubber divider. I might get a couple more of these because they're good for coins, and it's got a really cool topographic design on it. It's really durable, very quality feeling. A little bit thicker than an Altoids can. Let's see. Here I have an Altoids can right here. So a little bit thicker and a little bit heavy dutier steel. So, little thing I have to point out to you guys. Just think this whole thing costs with shipping like 12 bucks. So it's like $3 for one thing, $2.99 for the other. Shipping was like the most expensive thing. So next thing I'll probably order two of each. That way I have some spares. But yeah, these are pretty cool. All right, let's try park number 2. So far I've been hunting for about 2 hours. First coin from park 2, we got a quarter. Second coin, another quarter. Just got a nickel on the surface. And a dime. Just got a couple more quarters. Little North Carolina quarter. And something with a bird on it. Bombay hook. Sweet. Oh, South Carolina. Hey, shout out to my South Carolina friends. Woohoo. And another dime. And the spot with the dime gave me a penny. And another dime and a penny. Beautiful spots. And another penny. I'm moving out to the grass to head to the car. As a member of the North American Western Coin Farmers Association, I can tell you it's not an easy job. The pay is not that good, the work is hard, but in the end, after a long year's worth of work, you might be able to afford a pinpointer. Oh, for third park, after 20 minutes, I finally got a nickel. Got some foil, got some little pieces of wire. Looks like Charlie Brown was here. I'll show you. The kite stuck in the tree. Today's hunt is brought to you by the letter triangle. And I got a penny. I have no idea what that's for. I know what the penny's for, to annoy me, but it's triangle. No idea. Probably some decoration off of something. Well, that park was kind of a dud. I got 6 whole cents. I feel compelled to hit another one. But first, I need to run by the store. One of the things when you're farming for coins in the West Coast here, you gotta be kind of flexible. Place I wanted to go, it's full of people. This one, got a few dogs, a couple kids. I'll be good here. Got a strip of bling. I know it's bling because look at those cut ends. Some pot metal there. It'll clean up nice though. Penny and a nickel in one hole. Dime right next to it. And we got a little bracelet. Looks like it's got a little St. Christopher's charm on there maybe. Glass on it, and a crusty zinc, and a deep blue St. Clark with the boat on it. How about a pretty little pony? Aww. 2 more pennies, and a nickel, and also got a Mr. Pull tab. More kid bling. That one's a pin. Probably clean up and all the little rocks would fall off of it. I'm pretty sure we got some mighty excitement. Hard to tell on that side. But the head side, let me get you in the light here. Looks like it's 1940 something or other. Hard to tell the date. It's a crusty one though. Yeah, it's still windy. And another dime. Might be calling it quits here. It's 12:18. I've been out since 7 o'clock. And these people will not leave the top lot. I've been relegating myself to the grass. I'm pretty sure I discovered one of those vaccine chips. That's what the government's putting in our bodies right there. Someone successfully removed it and buried it in the park. Hey, we finally found a toy. Fire rescue truck. It's a Hot Wheels, and I have the wheel that fell off. Cool. It'll clean up interestingly. All right, I was able to do a quick scan of the tot lot here. I got a washer and some foil on a little piece of a bronze bushing. I'm heading home. We'll clean everything up, see what we got, and see how much money an hour I made from whatever, 7 something in the morning to 12:37. Okay, I'm back. I've cleaned up the mess. You'll hear a little tap dancing puppies here because they keep following me around. In fact, I have one that's getting petted right now. So let's look at the treasure. All right, we got the fire rescue vehicle. We got the COVID-19 chip. We got the blingy bracelet. We got that guy there, which is, I'm thinking it's a St. Christopher's medal bracelet thing. It's just a little charm. Got the Dragon Ball Z bracelet, what's left of it. That would have been a cool find if the whole thing was together. Those were all like copper. Got the pretty pony. Found a little hoop. A little flower. Let's look at the coins. Got some quarters. I don't know what the oldest quarter I have is. I wasn't paying attention. We got $3 in them. Let me zoom out. Yeah, $3 in quarters. Got 90 cents in dimes. 20, 40, let's see, 10, 20, 30, 40 cents in nickels. We got 2 of my favorite ones. The little boat, the newer Buffalo. I think our oldest nickel, I don't know. Nothing really spectacular there. Actually, that one looks pretty old. I got 77, not bad. This is a wheat. It's a 45. That's what I could get out of it. We got 273 pennies. One actually has a mint mark. It's like an S. Got a 65, 69, a 76, and an 81. And a whole crap ton of zinc pennies. Look at that beautiful pile of zinc. So it's not too bad. I still think it did pretty good. I don't know what my camera's doing here. Let me get it back to normal. I think that's normal. Yeah. So that's not a bad little hunt. Well, also just want to thank you for joining me on this quick Saturday gallop through the parks. Wish there was some rings or something, but hey, you get what you get. I'm still happy. I mean, it's 390. 4, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 27, 28, 9, 33, 1, 2, 3. About $4.50 and change. So that comes up to about $1 an hour. Anyways, y'all take care. Figure out what movie that came from. That's like $1 an hour. Y'all take care. Good luck out there. Happy hunting. Stay safe. And bye for now.